Victoria Pinder, eXp Realty. I'm excited to show you the Penwell today, which is a DR Horton home. Honestly, this is probably my most popular one that my clients in the past have bought. Not necessarily this one, but very one. This is exactly the same model that many people have bought on the inside of the home. So I'm so excited to show you the Penwell today because this one is common. Now, this one does have the brick on the front, which makes this one a little bit more expensive than one with vinyl. Vinyl's obviously always the cheapest, but it's very pretty to have a little bit of brick on it. Now here we go. Let's go on inside. Also, what's nice about the Penwell is that you could put 2 chairs on your patio area and sit outside and watch the world, which is a lovely little spot. Many people in North Carolina, we love our rocking chairs in the Greenville area, and here you can have a rocking chair porch. Now let's go on inside. I have literally here, you come into a foyer, and then you come into, if you do not want people to come into the rest of your home because you run a home-based business, you have an office right here. If you want a formal dining room, of course, this can also be a formal dining room, but typically this is used as an office. I've had a young client recently tell me that because they bought this house, not this exact house, but the Penwell, that they were going to have to start a business because they had an office for it now. So it just motivated them to do something.
And it comes with the French doors.
And the French doors. So you could have a formal dining room as well. You do have a downstairs bathroom. It's a half bath. I like it because it's a half bath, so you don't have to have people go up the stairs. Now, before we show you the main house, you have a 2-car garage, water heater, and your electric panel in case you know where everything is. Garage door is included, and you can definitely fit 2 cars in here as well. Now let's go inside the house, because typically you're going to park your car, boop, boop, boop. You're going to have a closet space right here to where you can put all of your stuff. As we've already showed you the half bath, and now let us go into the main area. And here it's very, very open concept. Here is where the refrigerator goes. You have granite counters, dishwasher, oven, huge pantry, walk-in pantry. And then typically what happens with open concept is you're going to put your dining table right here. And before we continue on, I do want to show you they definitely come with a patio. And then this one comes with a a lot of side yard. So there's just a lot of side yard on this model specifically, and that's quite lovely as well. So if you're looking for a move-in ready home, definitely call me right now, because if you love it. Let's go back inside. Now, if we are in Greenville proper, I cannot get you this kind of backyard. This is Aiden, where we're at filming this. But we have these models of homes in Greenville as well. So your dining is here. Then moving on, typically I see 2 chairs, maybe a love seat here, couch here, TV on that wall, open concept going. So I just want to kind of give you a visual of where things kind of go if you are looking to model this home. Now we can go upstairs. The Penwell has 2 different, most of them is this one, which is 3 bedrooms with a loft. Sometimes they close the loft to make a 4th bedroom. So if you're looking for a place in case your family might grow in the future, this is not bad either. So you come up the stairs, 2nd floor is all carpet. To my right, this is the loft area. Typically the couch goes here and the TV goes on that wall, and you can kind of hang out upstairs. This is typically a man cave. It does come with a closet though. So, well, no, that would be a different closet. So if you are looking to make a 4th bedroom in the future, you would have to close this off and put a door. Another way, the first official bedroom that we're going to go see is this. It's a big closet, big room, walk-in closet. This is bigger than the other closets that I've shown you in other houses. And that's one of the nice features of the Penwell is that the closet space. I told you when you came up the stairs, you do have a closet right here. So you have a general closet for upstairs as well.
It's a walk-in closet too.
Now, we will go to the primary last. The first of the full baths is here. You have white, you have a full shower in a nice place. So that is your kids' bathroom, your secondary bathroom. Let's go into the second of the bedrooms. This one is a very big room too. You get double windows. It's a very big room, so this room is looking over. So if you're looking for the room above the garage, this is it. And again, a huge walk-in closet. So you could get another shelving right here and really have a lot of storage space. Moving on, come this way. You have your laundry room. I'm saving the primary for last. Washer, dryer, everything's here for you to wash your clothes upstairs. Now moving on. Oh, and of course, a linen closet. So for that upstairs bathroom, you have a linen closet for the towels, the sheets, and all of that. Now let's go into the primary. Huge. Literally, I could roll on the floor one end to the other and get tired. You could have a bed here. You could have a second bed there. There's lots of space in this room. So if you were looking for a studio escape, you could literally have a reading nook over there, your bedroom over here. It's a big, big room. 2 windows. The Penwell then comes with the double sinks. Nice open area. Behind me is a closet. The only closet that doesn't have a light. Here is your close for the toilet. So you can close the door in here. You have a shower, walk-in shower, and then you have a huge walk-in closet. Literally, this is huge. Shoes, clothes, boxes, everything's gonna fit in here. So let's go back to the main room. This house typically is in the low 300s, so like 303, 290 something if you were going with vinyl. So high 2s, low 3s. And now if you are looking for a home like this, and like I said, this is probably my most popular of the D.R. Horton plans that I have sold personally, because this is where your starting family can afford. So it's a lovely home, huge closets. If you are looking to talk about buying these homes and all of their incentives and whatever's happening at the moment, it's always good to have a real estate agent at your side, like me, and you can call me at 252-327-3357. Talk to you soon.